Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? Welcome to my YouTube channel Varda's Cuisine. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. Today we're going to start with a new recipe of cheese bun. Let's start the recipe of cheese bun. For making cheese buns, I'm using 3 cups of flour. Time to add the dry ingredient: 2 teaspoons of instant yeast, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 2 tablespoons of milk powder and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Add these dry ingredients into the flour. Here I am using dough machine for kneading the dough. You can simply knead the dough by hand. I am in a little bit hurry, that's why I am using the dough machine. Now mix all these dry ingredients. Add 1 egg into the flour. Take half cup of oil. Add into the flour. Start kneading the dough. Always use measuring cup while you're baking something because it gives the correct ratio of the ingredients. Now start kneading the dough. Now I need 1.5 cup of lukewarm water that I'm going to gradually add into the flour. Start kneading the dough. The dough should be soft. Now you can see the texture of my dough is soft. Take it out the dough. Add 2 teaspoons of milk. Apply on the dough and leave it for rest at least 2 to 3 hours. Put it at the warm place. I place it in the microwave for 2 hours. You can see my dough is rised. I made 35 cheese buns from 3 cups of flour. Now I made 35 balls. Now take the cheese. I used triangle. Cut into the pieces. They are total 8 pieces. Cut into small shape like this. Press the ball. Stuff with the cheese. Again roll it into the round shape. Now time to grease the pan. Add these buns. Now I'm going to apply the egg. Preheat the oven. Place it in the oven for at least 15 minutes. When you take it out, apply some milk. Now you can see cheese buns are ready to eat. They are yummy and turn out very good. You can cheese is melted. Bake it at 180 degree. Before that, preheat the oven.